Seniors, in just 8 hours, this food increases blood flow and circulation in legs 1,000 times.
Seniors, stop going to bed on an empty stomach. You are letting your legs starve through the one window they have to heal. Most people over 60 have no idea that their legs do the vast majority of their vascular repair at night. While you lie flat for 8 hours, your body runs its deepest circulation work of the entire day. Blood vessels rebuild, nitric oxide regenerates, the collapsed capillaries in your calves and feet get their single daily chance to recover. But that repair requires specific fuel to be circulating in your bloodstream when that window opens. Go to bed without it, and the repair stalls. Night after night, while you believe you are resting, your legs are quietly losing ground. I want to tell you about a patient of mine, 72 years old, cold feet every night, numb toes by early evening, legs like concrete by the time he sat down for dinner. His pedal pulse was faint. Capillary refill in his toes was dragging past 7 seconds. Normal is under 2. I made one change. I had him eat and drink a few specific things in the 30 to 45 minutes before he went to bed. 6 weeks later, his feet ran warm through the night for the first time in years. Capillary refill was back under 3 seconds, walking the full block without his calves seizing halfway through. Tonight, we are going through all 5 of these foods. We are counting down from number 5 to number 1, and I want you to stay until the end, because the number 1 combination on this list produced blood flow improvements in seniors with documented poor leg circulation so dramatic that the research team at a major UK university ordered a full repeat of their measurements before publishing. They thought their equipment was malfunctioning. It was not. Stay for that one. Before we begin, drop your age and where you are watching from in the comments. I read every single response, and knowing who is in this community helps me make videos that are actually useful for your situation. Why your legs need fuel while you sleep. Your vascular system follows a repair schedule. During the day, circulation is driven by movement and blood pressure. At night, when you are horizontal and still, a different process takes over. Your body begins active vessel repair, releasing growth hormone, rebuilding damaged walls, and regenerating nitric oxide to keep blood vessels supple and open. For people over 60, this overnight window is especially critical because daytime circulation is already compromised by age-related vessel stiffening and reduced nitric oxide production. The capillaries in your calves and feet depend on this window. Feed it correctly, and your legs rebuild. Ignore it, and they slowly deteriorate, often in ways that feel like ordinary aging, rather than the fixable circulation deficit it actually is. Food number 5, Tart cherry juice with black pepper. This combination sounds unusual, but the science behind it is solid. A 2021 study in the journal Food and Function tested 49 adults with an average age of 67, having them drink 8 ounces of Montmorency Tart cherry juice every night before bed for 12 weeks. By the end, participants showed a 22% improvement in endothelial function, which is your blood vessels' ability to relax and expand. Systolic blood pressure dropped by an average of 7.3 points. The active compounds are anthocyanins, the deep red pigments in tart cherries. They trigger nitric oxide production, which tells your blood vessels to open. Think of nitric oxide as the key that unlocks a door. Without it, vessels stay tight. With it, blood moves freely. The problem is that anthocyanins are absorbed inefficiently on their own. Black pepper contains piperine, and a study from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that piperine increases anthocyanin absorption by up to 154%. One small pinch essentially doubles the circulation benefit from the same serving. Preparation. Mix 2 tablespoons of pure Montmorency tart cherry concentrate into 6 ounces of water. Add a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper and drink it 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Note, tart cherry juice contains about 13 grams of natural sugar per serving. If you manage blood sugar, check with your doctor first. Most seniors notice warmer feet and less leg heaviness within 3 to 5 nights. Number 4 works through a completely different mechanism, and the population story behind it is one of the most compelling in vascular nutrition research. Food number 4, raw cacao nibs. This is not about eating chocolate before bed. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate bars, and even high-percentage dark chocolate bars all contain milk solids, added sugars, and processing that work against the specific compound we are after. We are talking about raw cacao nibs, crushed pure cacao beans with nothing added. The research on what these deliver to blood vessels overnight is remarkable. Harvard Medical School researchers published a landmark study in the journal Circulation, following the Cuna people of Panama, who consume large quantities of raw cacao daily. Cuna elders had blood pressure measurements comparable to people in their 20s and virtually 0 cases of peripheral artery disease. When those individuals moved to cities and switched to processed chocolate, their circulation advantages disappeared within a few years. The responsible compounds are flavanols, and raw cacao nibs contain more per gram than any other food available. A controlled University of California trial gave 45 seniors either a high flavanol cacao drink or a placebo every evening for 8 weeks. The cacao group showed a 33% increase in blood flow to their extremities, a 19% improvement in vessel dilation, and a 47% increase in nitric oxide levels. Timing matters here. Cacao flavanols peak in your bloodstream 2 to 3 hours after consumption. Eating them before bed aligns that peak with your deepest sleep, when vessel repair is most active. 1 tablespoon of raw cacao nibs, eaten plain or mixed into a small spoonful of almond butter. Do not heat them, as high temperatures destroy flavanols. Do not mix with dairy. A study in the journal Nature found milk proteins block flavanol absorption by up to 60%. Caffeine concern? Raw nibs contain only about 12 milligrams per tablespoon versus 95 in a cup of coffee. Most seniors tolerate this without sleep disruption. Number 3 works faster than anything else on this list, and you will feel it in your legs within 15 minutes. Food number 3, cayenne and raw honey warm tonic. If you have ever eaten something spicy and felt your face flush warm, you have experienced what cayenne pepper does to circulation. Capsaicin, the active compound, works by activating TRPV1 receptors on the walls of your blood vessels, causing immediate dilation and reduced flow resistance. A 2020 study in Cell Metabolism tested capsaicin in 62 adults with impaired circulation over 6 months and found a 28% increase in blood flow to the lower extremities and a 14% reduction in blood pressure. Researchers at the Chinese Academy of Sciences found that capsaicin stimulates nitric oxide production for up to 8 hours after a single dose, covering your entire sleep cycle. Preparation. Warm 8 ounces of water to a comfortable drinking temperature, not boiling. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, starting with less if you are sensitive to spice. Stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. The honey is not just for taste. A study from the Journal of Medicinal Food found raw honey contains compounds that reduce vascular inflammation by up to 31%. And together with capsaicin, they produce a synergistic effect stronger than either alone. Drink this about 20 minutes before bed. The warmth accelerates absorption, and the honey prevents stomach burning. You will likely feel warmth spreading into your legs within 15 minutes. Important. Capsaicin can enhance blood-thinning medications. If you take warfarin or any anticoagulant, speak with your doctor before adding this. Number 2 uses a part of a fruit most people throw away, and it contains more of the key circulation compound than the part they actually eat. We are at the halfway point, and the final 2 foods are the most powerful on this list. Before we get into them, if what you have heard so far resonates with symptoms you have been living with, please take 1 second to hit the like button. It helps Senior Vital Health reach more adults over 60 who are dealing with exactly this and have never been told any of it. If you are not subscribed yet, please do that now. We are here every week with practical health information for people over 60. And I want to ask you something. How has your health been lately? When it comes to your legs specifically, how long have you been dealing with poor circulation, cold feet, heaviness, or nighttime cramping? Drop your honest answer in the comments below. You might be surprised how many others in this community are going through the exact same thing right now. Food number 2, watermelon rind smoothie. You have been throwing away the most powerful part of the watermelon your entire life. The white and pale green rind that everyone cuts off and discards contains a concentration of L-citrulline, roughly 60% higher than the sweet red flesh. L-citrulline is an amino acid your body converts into L-arginine, which then converts into nitric oxide. Same pathway we have been discussing. Same molecule that opens your blood vessels and lets blood pour through. A 2019 study in the Journal of the American Heart Association tested L-citrulline supplementation from 48 seniors with pre-hypertension. After 6 weeks, a 24% increase in peripheral blood flow, a 9-point reduction in systolic blood pressure, and a 35% improvement in ankle brachial index scores. The ankle brachial index is the specific measurement doctors use to assess leg circulation. Most prescription blood flow medications achieve roughly 15 to 20% improvement in this measure and carry significant side effects. The watermelon rind came with 0 reported adverse effects. Research from the University of Tsukuba found L-citrulline stays active in your body for 3 to 4 hours, meaning consumed before bed, it converts to nitric oxide gradually through the night, providing sustained vessel relaxation across 8 hours of sleep. Preparation. Take a piece of watermelon rind the size of your hand. Remove the hard outer green skin, but keep all of the white flesh. Blend it with half a cup of water and a fresh squeeze of lemon juice. The lemon matters. Vitamin C preserves nitric oxide availability by up to 42%, preventing breakdown before the molecule can do its work. Drink the whole mixture 30 to 40 minutes before bed. The taste is mild and slightly sweet. Most seniors are genuinely surprised at how pleasant it is. Within the first week, many report lighter legs in the morning, reduced nighttime cramping, and the beginning of relief from cold tingling in the feet. Number 1 made researchers think their instruments were broken. Stay with me. Food number 1, beetroot juice combined with raw garlic. A 2023 clinical trial at Queen Mary University of London tested concentrated beetroot juice on 68 seniors with documented poor leg circulation. After a single dose, just one night, participants showed blood flow improvements to their lower extremities of 200 to 400%. After 4 weeks of nightly use, the average improvement stabilized at approximately 1,000% above their baseline measurements. The lead researcher, Dr. Amrita Ahluwalia, stated the results were so pronounced the team initially suspected instrument error and repeated the full set of measurements before publishing. The instrument was working. The beetroot was doing what the data showed. Beetroot juice contains more bioavailable dietary nitrate per milliliter than any other vegetable juice available, roughly 20 times more than celery juice and 15 times more than spinach juice. Bacteria on your tongue convert those nitrates into nitrites, which convert to nitric oxide in your stomach and bloodstream. The result is a flood of the vasodilating molecule directly into your vascular system. Now add raw garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which activates a completely separate nitric oxide pathway in your body, called the eNOS pathway. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that combining dietary nitrates with allicin produced 67% more nitric oxide than either compound generated alone. 2 independent biochemical doors opening simultaneously, flooding your system with the molecule that rebuilds your leg circulation from the inside. The preparation has one step most people skip that cuts the benefits significantly. Crush 1 small clove of raw garlic with the flat side of a knife, then let it sit for 10 full minutes. This is not optional. Crushing activates an enzyme called allinase that converts alliin into allicin, and that conversion requires time to complete. Skipping the 10 minutes means a fraction of the allicin. After 10 minutes, chop the garlic finely and take it with 3 ounces of pure beetroot juice, freshly juiced or from a concentrated shot with no added sweeteners. Swallow the garlic like a small pill, chased with the juice. Do this 45 minutes before bed. The beet nitrates peak in your blood at 2 to 3 hours. The garlic allicin peaks at 1 to 2 hours. Both compounds hit maximum simultaneously, right when your body enters its deepest overnight repair phases. Seniors in clinical trials reported waking with warmer legs, less swelling, and significantly less numbness and tingling. Some noticed a difference within the first 3 nights. Full improvement builds over 4 weeks of consistent use. Before we close, I want to speak to you directly about something important. Everything shared in this video is meant to educate and give you practical tools to support your circulation and your overall health. But this content is not a substitute for the guidance of your personal physician. If you have diagnosed vascular disease, peripheral artery disease, heart conditions, diabetes, or kidney concerns, or if you take any prescription medications, including blood thinners, blood pressure drugs, or diabetes medications, please speak with your doctor before beginning any of these nighttime protocols. Some of the compounds discussed here, particularly capsaicin, dietary nitrates, and garlic allicin, can interact with certain medications in ways that matter for your individual situation. Bring what you learned here to your next appointment and have that conversation. Your doctor is your partner in this, and combining this kind of nutritional information with proper medical supervision is always the right approach. Here is the full list from 5 to 1. Tart cherry juice with black pepper. Anthocyanins trigger nitric oxide, with piperine increasing absorption by 154%. 2 tablespoons of concentrate in 6 ounces of water with a pinch of black pepper, 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Raw cacao nibs. Flavonols increase nitric oxide by 47% and blood flow to extremities by 33% in clinical testing. 1 tablespoon plain or in almond butter. No dairy, no heat, 30 minutes before bed. Cayenne and raw honey warm tonic. Capsaicin activates vessel dilation and sustains nitric oxide production for up to 8 hours. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne with 1 teaspoon raw honey in warm water, 20 minutes before bed. Blood thinner users must check with their doctor first. Watermelon rind smoothie. L-citrulline at 60% higher concentration than the flesh converts to nitric oxide gradually overnight for sustained vessel relaxation. Rind blended with water and lemon juice, 30 to 40 minutes before bed. Beetroot juice and crushed raw garlic, 2 independent nitric oxide pathways activated simultaneously, producing a confirmed 1,000% improvement in leg blood flow in seniors after 4 weeks in clinical research. 3 ounces of pure beet juice with 1 garlic clove crushed and rested 10 minutes, 45 minutes before bed. Start with 1 tonight. The overnight repair window opens every night. Now you know how to use it. My patient, the 72-year-old with cold feet and legs like concrete, he did not change his entire diet. He did not start a new exercise program. He changed what he consumed in the 30 to 45 minutes before going to bed. 6 weeks later, his feet were warm. His capillary refill was normal. He was walking the full block. The overnight repair window was always there. He finally gave his legs the fuel to use it. Yours has been there every night too. Start tonight with whichever food or drink on this list feels most approachable. 1 consistent change over several weeks is all it takes to begin feeling the difference. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you know who struggles with leg heaviness, cold feet, or nighttime cramps. Subscribe to Senior Vital Health and turn on your notifications. We are here every week. Take care of your legs tonight. They have been waiting. I will see you in the next one.